away. A wee robin. Fuck. Crazy doves. Look at that there, by the way, 4 of them. 4 planes out spraying, and that's meant to be the normal. Fucking dirty bastards. You know, I'm even used to knowing when these cunts are out. All you need to do is listen for their engines now. Look at that. The fuck are they? Oh, they're way up there. Shower of bastards. 4 planes out spraying. Look at all that. But that's normal to folk, eh? Time folk waking up to this shite. They're poisoning us. And you should look into what they're spraying as well. It's not just heavy metals, you know. But see, I've done my research. A lot of folk need to do theirs. Waking up and see what they're spraying in tappy causes a lot of your fucking problems nowadays. Go and look.